Shri Gurubhyo Namaha students, welcome to online class. Today we are going to discuss exercise 6.5 question number 8. It is somewhat different. You have to listen carefully, children. You have to be attentive and listen. At what point in the interval closed, right, 0, 25, does the function sine 2x attain the maximum value? Interval is given to you. So, you have to find out what is absolute maximum. What is absolute maximum, right? Now, first step, what do you want to do? Anyone, you have to tell me. Yeah, very good. You want to differentiate, right? F of x equal to solution f of x equal to sine 2x. You have to differentiate, right? F dash of x equal to, what is the differentiation of sine x? Cos x. Cos 2x. Again, you have to differentiation of 2x, you will get it as 2. So, f dash of x equal to 2 into cos 2x. Then what I told you, the next step, you have to equate the derivative to 0, right? For maxima or minima, what? Put f dash of x equal to 0. Now, 2 into cos 2x equal to 0. Definitely you know 2 not equal to 0, but cos 2x equal to 0. In which are the angle the cos is 0, you have to recall. I will tell you one thing, right? It should be exist in the interval of 0 to 2 pi. But in which are the angle it is 90 degree, which are the angle it is equal to 0, 90 degree, then 270, then 540, 630, like that it will go on, right? That you have to write it first, which implies 2x equal to pi by 2, comma, yeah, 3 pi by 2, 270 degree. Next, 5, 450 degree. 450 degree, how can you write? 5 into pi by 2, comma, 7 pi by 2, comma, etc. It is going on. But we have to restrict into the interval of 0, comma, 2 pi. How we are going to restrict, you have to see, right? Here 2x equal to, but we need only x, right? X is equal to, you have to use 2 and multiply, divide everything, right? Pi by 4, comma, 3 pi by 4, comma, 5 pi by 4, comma, 7 pi by 4. That's all. Because 7 into 45 degree, you will get it as 350 degree. Our limit is what? 0 to 2 pi. That is 0 to 360. Right? After that, whatever it comes, we cannot include in this because the interval is mentioned as 0, comma 2 pi. These are the values or critical points or the critical points, right? Critical points. Now, yeah, x is equal to pi, comma, pi by 4, comma, 3 pi by 4, comma, 5 pi by 4, comma, 7 pi by 4 belongs to the interval 0, comma 2 pi. You have to check whether the critical point is exists in the interval or not. See, once again I repeat, you listen. 2 cos 2x equal to 0. 2x equal to, in what are the angles the cos value is 0, that you have to write it first. It's going on, right? But we have to restrict into the interval of 0 to 2 pi what it is given to you. So use 2 and divide. What you will get? Pi by 4, 3 pi by 4, 5 pi by 4, 7 pi by 4. After that we cannot take. Why we cannot take? Because it crosses the limit of 360 degree, right? Now, substitute. You want to find the absolute maxima or minima, right? Because the interval is given to you. What is the n points of the interval? 0, 2 pi, 0, 2 pi, and these are the interval you have to substitute in the given function, right? At x is equal to 0. F of 0 is equal to 0 because sine 2x is what? 0. Next, at x is equal to pi by 4. At x is equal to pi by 4. What is the value of sine? F of pi by 4 equal to sine 2 into pi by 4. Sine 2 into pi by 4. 2 ones are 2 twos are. So sine pi by 2, which is equal to 1. Right? Next, at x is equal to at x is equal to 3 pi by 4. F of 3 pi by 4 is equal to sine 2 into 3 pi by 4. Right? Now, 3 pi by 4. 2 ones are 2 twos are. Which is equal to sine 3 pi by 2. What is sine 270 degree? Sine 270 degree is equal to -1. Right? Now, at x is equal to 5 pi by 4. F of 5 pi by 4 equal to sine 2 into 5 pi by 4. 2 ones are 2 twos are. Now what it is? Sine 5 pi by 2. Sine 5 pi by 2 is nothing but sine 2 pi plus pi by 2. Right? That is the meaning. Which is equal to sine 2 pi plus pi by 2. Sine 360 plus theta equal to sine theta. So what you will get? 1. Right? Now, at x is equal to 7 pi by 4. F of 7 pi by 4 equal to sine 2 into 7 pi by 4. 2 ones are 2 twos are. Now what you will get? Sine 7 pi by 2. 7 pi by 2, how can you split? Anyone, if you have idea, you should tell me. Right? Sine, which is equal to sine 2 pi plus 3 pi by 2. Right? Now, this is equal to sine 3 pi by 2. Here also again sine 360 degree plus theta, right? Which is equal to 1. Now you see what is the absolute maximum value you arrived. What is the absolute maximum value you arrived? Sorry, sine 270 degree is equal to -1. Sorry children, you have to be very careful while writing the values. Now, what is the absolute maximum value? The absolute maximum value is what? 1. At x is equal to pi by 4 and x is equal to 5 pi by 4. Right? That we are going to write. Therefore, absolute maximum value is 1 at x is equal to pi by 4 and x is equal to 5 pi by 4. Right? Now we'll pass on to the next question. Right? What is the maximum value of the function sin x plus cos x? Here they didn't give the interval, right? So you want to find local maxima and local minima, right? Now, Solution. You have to understand the difference, children. If the interval is given, you should go for absolute maxima, minima, right? Now, one more thing I want to do in the previous, sorry children, I didn't do that. One more thing you want to do. Sine 2 pi also you want to find, because the n points of the interval also we want to find, no? At x is equal to 2 pi, f of 2 pi equal to sine 2 into 2 pi, right? What you will get? Sine 4 pi, which is equal to 0, right? 180 degree is nothing but 0, right? Critical point as well as the n points, everything you have to substitute in the given function. Finally, you should conclude what is absolute maxima and absolute minima. Here they are expecting maximum, that is absolute maximum. The absolute maximum value is 1 at x is equal to pi by 4 and x is equal to 5 pi by 4. Now I am going to move to the question number 9. Solution: f of x equal to sin x plus cos x. First step, derivative. F dash of x equal to cos x minus sin x. Next step, you have to equate with 0. Now, cos x minus sin x equal to 0, which implies sin x equal to cos x, that I am going to modify in terms of tan x equal to 1. Now what is the value of x? X is equal to pi by 4. X is equal to pi by 4. Now here also the same. X is equal to pi by 4. X is equal to pi by 4. Here they are expecting maximum, no? We have to know in which are the angle the tan is 1. X is equal to pi by 4. Next, pi by 4. Next, going on, right? Now we have to see f double dash of x you want to find, right? What is the critical point here? The critical point is x is equal to pi by 4. The critical point is x is equal to pi by 4. How? That I am going to explain now. The second order derivative you want to find. The second order derivative is nothing but minus sin x minus cos x. Now this is equal to minus of sin x plus cos x, right? Now you have to substitute pi by 4. F double dash of pi by 4 equal to minus sin pi by 4 plus cos pi by 4, right? Now what it is? This is equal to minus of 1 by root 2 plus 1 by root 2 minus 2 by root 2, which is equal to minus root 2 less than 0. If you substitute 5 pi by 4, what you will get? What you will get? 5 pi by 4 means 225 degree. In 225 degrees, sine and cos both will get it as positive. So that gives you minimum, but we need only maximum. So you are going to take x is equal to pi by 4 is a critical point. X is equal to pi by 4 is a critical point. The other things you are leaving. The critical point. That means pi by 4, x is equal to pi by 4 is a point of maximum, point of local maximum. You want maximum, you want to find local maxima, you want to find the local maximum value, right? How to find local maximum value? You have to substitute the critical point in the given function. X is equal to pi by 4. X is equal to pi by 4 in f of x equal to sin x plus cos x. Sin x plus cos x. Now f of pi by 4 equal to sin pi by 4 plus cos pi by 4, which is equal to 1 by root 2 plus 1 by root 2, 2 by root 2, which is equal to root 2. Therefore, the local maximum value, is root 2 at x is equal to pi by 4. I hope you people understood, right? Now I am going to move to question number 11. Question number 10, you should do it as a homework, right? Homework. Question number 10. Now, it is given that x is equal to 1. The function x power 4 minus 62x square plus ax plus 9 attains its maximum value on the interval 1, 2. Find the value of a, right? Now, f of x equal to solution. Normal procedure you have to follow, right? You have to do the differentiation in the next step. Plus ax plus 9. F dash of x equal to 4 into x cube, 4 into x cube minus 124x plus a. Normally, what we used to do, we have to equate with 0, right? You have to equate with 0. The derivative to 0. F dash of 0. That means it is given that the function attains maximum value on the interval 0, 2 at x is equal to 1. It is given in your question. So the next step you have to equate with 0, I said, right? F dash of x equal to 0. Here x value is 1. F dash of 1 equal to 4 into 1 cube minus 124 into 1 plus a equal to 0. This is equal to 4 minus 124 plus a equal to 0, right? Which implies the next step. Minus 120 plus a equal to 0. A equal to 120. A equal to 120. Therefore, the value of a is 120. Right? Here it is given as what? The function is given as what? The function, it attains maximum value on the interval 0, 2 at x is equal to 1. Normally, the second step, we have to equate the derivative to 0. When you go and substitute in the place of x is equal to 1, when you arrive the value of a as 120. Thank you, children. We will continue tomorrow. You have to go through what are the things I taught. You have to go through. If you have any doubt, you should ask me tomorrow. We will discuss, right?